What starts as a simple phone recording on a public street quickly spirals into threats of handcuffs, intimidation, and a complete misunderstanding of the law. A private security guard claims authority he simply doesn't have, while a calm but assertive cameraman refuses to back down. This is a case about public recording legal boundaries and what happens when private security confuse confidence with power. Stay tuned, because what unfolds here exposes exactly how fragile authority becomes when it's built on ignorance rather than law.
What are you recording for?
I'm just making sure everybody's safe.
I don't want to be recorded.
That's fine. I will stand here.
Situation.
I will stand here, and you're not in a shot.
Mate, yeah? Go away with your phone, mate, please.
I'm in public, man.
Go away with your phone, please.
And I'm in public.
Go away with your phone.
I'm in public, and I can record what I want to record in public.
I suggest you go away.
Am I in a public place?
I don't care where you are, I'm asking you to go away.
And who are you?
I'm a licensed SIA guard, and I'm dealing with...
And where's your license? Is it on display?
Yes, it is. Go away, thank you.
I'm trying to make sure that everybody is safe and secure.
No, you're not, because the people are a bit... Why don't you go after the people that are a problem? Why are you recording?
I'm not saying
we're
anybody's...
with police, we're safe. We're with police.
Police are
Police
are not always safe.
Yeah, not always, but who the fuck are you?
And I'm just trying to make sure...
Safe? Show me your credentials.
And I'm just trying to make sure that everybody is safe and secure.
Show me your credentials. What makes you safe? Look at you.
Yeah, all right, look at me, yeah.
What makes you safe? Tell me something.
Go away.
You're not in no
being
uniform.
a nuisance.
You're not in an
I'm not being a
capacity.
nuisance.
You're here on a personal capacity.
I'm not doing anything
You're
like...
here on a personal
Don't touch me.
Are you two happy talking to me in front of him, or
Can we go
alternatively?
somewhere else? Because that's weird.
Well, that's what I was going to say.
Put it on
My car is just down there. I'll grab my crew car and we'll go in the car and we'll go.
Please, because I'm pressing shut. Like, I've got videos. There's no way they're getting away with that.
Good, we're going to give them a minute.
Yeah. Well, I was like, guys, just stop. It's enough. Because there were points where it broke and there was space and there was room for them to just leave it. No, leave it. It's fine. That was a man's fight. You did what you did. Just leave it. And they just kept coming back.
We'll get all the distance when nobody else is recording.
As soon as you got here, I was like,
This is where the core legal issue appears. The setting is a public street, a place where there is no reasonable expectation of privacy. Private security do not gain extra powers simply because they wear a badge or claim a license. Their authority ends at private property boundaries, and even then is limited. The guard's insistence that filming must stop isn't based on law, but assumption. Ask yourself, if filming in public were illegal, how would journalism, accountability, or even police body cameras function at all?
4896, I appreciate that. Have you informed these people that you're interacting with, have you informed them that you're recording them?
I did explain that in front of them.
Did you? You did inform that. So if I request that body cam...
I'm satisfied they're definitely aware.
So if I request that footage, yeah. So when I request that footage, you'll be happy that they're understanding of that?
Of course.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, appreciate that.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I think I tried to start recording and I accidentally took a photograph instead of recording. I did have a long conversation with 4896. I did have a long conversation with him, and he asked why I was recording, and I tried to explain to him I'm trying to make sure that everybody is safe and accountable, basically. I'm not trying to do anything harm. I'm trying to stay out of the way. I'm just making sure that everybody's okay and that the police are doing what they're doing within their powers.
Okay, just down the other end of the taxi rank.
And they have been respectful, I have to say that. So yeah, we're not getting in the way, we're just...
Notice the immediate change when police arrive. The aggression softens, language becomes measured, and identification is provided. This is how lawful authority behaves. Transparently and calmly. Importantly, the cameraman continues recording openly, which is fully legal. At this moment, the officer has a choice: uphold the law or side with convenience. This is often where rights quietly disappear. The question is, will the officer protect lawful filming, or will they allow private security to dictate the rules?
Somebody has been assaulted. I did have somebody who said that they were SIA licensed come and approach me and get very aggressive with me. The police did step in that point and stop them, and I commend that. 100%, the police did stop the security licensed persons from getting too aggressive with me. So, yeah, I fully appreciate that, and that was a prospective idea. So we've got this person in front of me who keeps trying to step in front of my camera. Right at this point, I'm not trying to stop anybody from doing anything lawful. I'm just trying to report genuinely on what is happening and making sure that the police are not overstepping their boundaries. And we've got this person trying to step in front of me. He's got a bloody nose and blood dripping down his top. So I can't stop him from stepping in front of me, obviously, and I can't stop him from doing that. I'm trying to keep away from the situation. Yeah, absolutely, don't touch him. I'm trying to step away from the situation. I'm trying to keep a respectful distance.
Just stay back.
I'm not doing anything wrong, man. No, I don't need your directives. I'm not stepping towards him.
This moment matters more than people realize. Physically stepping in front of camera is not a harmless act. It's deliberate obstruction. In public, blocking lawful recording without legal justification crosses a serious line. It shows frustration, loss of control, and an inability to justify authority. Once physical interference starts, civil liability becomes a real risk. Ask yourself, if a member of the public blocked a police body camera like this, would it be tolerated for even a second?
And I'm not saying these people have done anything wrong. They may be witnesses, they may be victims.
I will be.
But, yeah, this is a situation going on a Saturday night on a... No, sorry, Sunday, early hours Sunday morning. And they've got these two people into a police car right now, and instead of discussing on the street, they are now taking them away to a police station. So this big guy with the orange rucksack is the one that came up to me that was saying that I cannot do what I'm doing, and
I don't want to be filmed. Please stop it.
well, don't move away from a public place. But
We're working.
But this guy is the one. This is the guy that told me that I cannot do what I'm doing. That I need to move away. Don't touch me. Fucking touch me again, motherfucker. Fucking touch me again. Push me again.
You can be a...
Push me again.
I can cuff you, mate. Simple as...
Fucking cuff me. Fucking cuff me, and I'll see you fucking on the floor, mate.
Of course you will. Do
Right,
it.
go on, let's do it.
Then do it.
You started the threat.
Do it, mate.
You started the threat.
Stood here.
You started the threat.
Being a nuisance.
I'm not being a nuisance.
I can legally
It's called
arrest you.
reporting. It's called reporting. Alright? So fucking try it. Cuff me. Right.
Stop recording people! Stop recording people! You can't.
You're causing
Stop
a
recording
nuisance.
people! Stop recording.
This is the legal breaking point. Private security threatening handcuffs is not just wrong, it's dangerous. Security guards do not have arrest powers unless a serious offense is actively occurring. Recording in public is not a crime. Threatening detention without lawful grounds can itself be considered unlawful conduct. At this point, the guard isn't enforcing safety. He's exposing himself and his employer to serious legal consequences. Who, in your opinion, actually escalated the situation?
You're gonna cuff me, cuff me, cuff me. My wrist is right here. Right, you have no power to cuff me. You have nothing to cuff me for. Right. This guy is the one who's just said he's gonna cuff me, is the one that told me that I can't record in public.
We have a guy with joint trousers, pink hair, being very aggressive, recording us everything.
How am I being aggressive? How am I being aggressive? How am I being aggressive, Mr. Purple Flag? How am I being aggressive? I don't give a shit. The feds can come. I don't care. No, I appreciate you telling me. I'll tell you what. The feds can give me a heads up. I appreciate that. No. Like, but they've got no power. The feds have no power because I'm not doing anything illegal. But no, I appreciate it. I appreciate the heads up though. No, thank you. But yeah, this chubby motherfucker, This chubby motherfucker in a purple rucksack is telling me that he's going to handcuff me, is telling me that I cannot record in a public place, telling me that I have to move away. Yeah, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. The police ain't going to do shit, because you can't do shit. Yeah, that's what I thought. Right, anyway, I'm going to move on and I'm actually on that.
Here we see how unlawful authority collapses under scrutiny. Repeated threats, emotional language, and personal insults replace any legal justification. Causing someone to fear unlawful force can itself be an offense. The cameraman raises his voice not to intimidate, but to clearly assert his rights on record. This is a critical shift. The power no longer belongs to the loudest voice, but to the one grounded in law. Knowledge, not aggression, changes the dynamic.
Direct you in the best way, so they're really good.
Thank you.
Sorry, 2 seconds, guys, sorry. I've just been talking to some of the SIA licensed security up there. Yeah. Can we stop and talk rather than walk and talk? Because, okay, so the issue that I have is the fact that they've been telling me that they are about to handcuff me and detain me for I'm recording. I am recording. Okay. They're telling me that they're going to detain me and handcuff me for the fact that I'm recording, whilst they are basically they're abusing somebody else's human rights. Okay? I'm quite adept at what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. And this is not something that I'm unfamiliar with. They're telling me the police have just been and gone and they've taken 2 people away. That's their business. I've recorded that, and that's a different situation. I continued to record the security. The security became very aggressive with me. As soon as I started recording, the security got in my face. I would give dues that the police did stop them becoming physical, but it became to a point where I did feel threatened. Okay, the 2 security that are working up at the taxi rank, they become very physically aggressive. In the way that they approached me, the way that they continue to approach me after the police had told them that I am not doing anything wrong in the fact of recording in a public place. Okay, I would like to request that you go and talk to those security.
This is policing done right. Instead of issuing commands, the officer listens, acknowledges the legal points, and focuses on de-escalation. The cameraman doesn't demand arrests. He asks for education. That distinction matters. Police have a duty to prevent breaches of the peace. And here the real risk comes from security overreach, not filming. Accountability shifts where it belongs, onto those abusing perceived authority. Do you think more situations like this could end peacefully with proper education?
Everybody is safe. As much as you as the police, as much as them as security, and as much as the people as the public are safe. Okay? I would like you to advise them that we are allowed to record from a public place and that we are allowed to maintain public safety through recording, because we are keeping everybody accountable. Everybody. As much as... Yeah, exactly. You do exactly the same thing. You do exactly the same thing, and I fully endorse it. I fully endorse the fact that you have body cameras. Fully endorse it. But I would like you to go and explain to the security that have the SII license, that are working on the taxi ranks. I would like you to explain to them that I can record them. I can record pretty much everything that I'm stood in public recording because they're in a public place.
Not otherwise by signage and things like that, right? No photography.
Almost. That comes down to
you can see,
that comes down to a matter of what comes down to court, and it comes down to a court decision, doesn't it? But otherwise, if there's if there's no signage saying no recording. Even if there's signage, it comes down to a court decision of what's a public place. But if there's no signage, we are in a public place. If you were to search me now, for example, for possession of an offensive weapon, the only thing you could stick me with would be a possession.
This encounter ends the right way, with conversation, not cuffs. 3 lessons stand out clearly. First, private security frequently overestimate their legal powers. Second, a calm, informed citizen asserting lawful rights can completely redirect a volatile situation. Third, Police officers who prioritize dialogue over force create safer outcomes for everyone involved. Accountability protects the public and the professionals doing their jobs correctly. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world body cam breakdowns and legal insight. Stay informed. Stay safe.